How do you know if you're a witch? Anyone could be a witch. Anyone can be a witch. Witch only means that you are working with your will to shift your reality. If you call yourself a witch, you're a witch. Now, there's some people that say, well, yeah, you got to be ordained. You got to be, you got to go through a process. I think it's helpful. I mean, it's definitely helpful to learn and get, go through that initiation. But I also believe in, like, you call yourself who you are. It's you are sovereign over you. So if you feel that you're a witch, then you're a witch. If you feel like you've got that desire, even, call yourself a witch. You don't need to have somebody tell you that you're one. My opinion. So I'm sure there's other opinions out there. But a witch is like a feeling that you are connected. I think there's what are the hallmarks of being a witch? I think you're connected to nature. You're connected to spirit realm. You're connected to nature. You're connected to, you feel like there's something beyond what we see. You're curious about it. Even if you can't pick up on it, you're still curious about it. You believe in your ability to shape and craft your reality. You believe that you're a child of the universe who is deserving and powerful. And then there's all kinds of flavors within that. But that's how I would define a witch. Someone who has those desires and qualities, and so you check in with yourself, then you're a witch, and you can say you're a witch. You get to decide for you. I'm very much about you get to decide what's right for you.